Have you ever wondered what it means to be a hero? The concept of heroism is often intertwined with notions of bravery, sacrifice, and courage. Take, for instance, the charge of the Light Brigade, a historical event that epitomizes these attributes. Here, hundreds of British cavalrymen charged into an almost certain demise, yet they did so with an unwavering resolve. Join us as we delve into the depths of bravery and sacrifice through Alfred Lord Tennyson's poem, The Charge of the Light Brigade. Picture this. The year is 1854 at the Battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War. The Light Brigade, a British cavalry unit, is about to make a fateful charge. Alfred Lord Tennyson captures this moment in his narrative poem, The Charge of the Light Brigade. The poem begins with the famous lines, half a league, half a league, half a league onward, all in the valley of death rode the 600. Here, Tennyson immortalizes the courage and valor of the Light Brigade as they charge into the depths of danger, following orders to their inevitable end. The Light Brigade, due to a grave miscommunication, found themselves charging directly into well-defended Russian artillery positions. Yet, they rode on. Despite the clear and present danger, despite the almost certain loss, they executed the order with courage and determination. The poem captures the chaos and confusion of the battlefield, the gallantry of the soldiers, and the futility of their charge. It's a poignant tribute to the honor and nobility of soldiers who follow orders, even in the face of tragic outcomes. And so, Tennyson writes, "Forward, the Light Brigade." But was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. Theirs was not to make reply, theirs was not to reason why, theirs was but to do and die. The Charge of the Light Brigade, a tale of bravery, of valor, and of the tragedy of war. Let's take a moment to reflect on the themes we've delved into. The story of the Light Brigade charging into the jaws of death is a testament to the courage and fortitude of soldiers, their unwavering discipline in the face of dire odds. Alfred Lord Tennyson, in his narrative poem, encapsulates this essence of bravery and sacrifice. His verses echo with the thundering hooves of the 600, their gallant charge immortalized in the annals of literature. The poem also paints a somber picture of the tragedy of war, the senseless loss that accompanies such heroic deeds. In the face of overwhelming odds, the Light Brigade charged on, exemplifying the true meaning of heroism. Remember them, the 600, as we continue to explore the depths of human courage and the tragedy of war.